Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1995 CE paper, and the topic we are discussing is electronic devices. This is third 2-mark question, came in GATE 1995. An N-channel JFET has IDSS of 1 milliampere and VP of minus 5 volts. Its maximum transconductance is. IDSS is nothing but drain to source saturation current, that is 1 milliampere. VP is pinch off voltage, and the given is N-channel JFET. And this question doesn't have any options. We will see how to solve this problem. Given N-channel JFET and IDSS of 1 milliampere, VP of minus 5 volts, we need to calculate maximum transconductance. We know that when JFET is always operates under reverse bias, that is, for JFET, gate source junction is always reverse bias to get high input impedance, which is one of the powerful characteristic of ideal voltage amplifier. To achieve high input impedance, JFET, gate source junction, is always reverse bias. So for N channel, VGS is going to be either negative or at most 0 volts. We never apply VGS as positive voltage for N channel, VGS as negative voltage for P channel. If you apply like that, at that time high input impedance is not going to be achieved because gate source junction becomes forward bias. We know under forward bias the resistance is very small. So by that time BJT is going to be more preferred than JFET for the amplifier applications. So always gate source junction for JFET is going to be either reverse bias or at most we can apply 0 volts for the gate source junction. So maximum transconductance is going to be possible whenever VGS is equal to 0. So maximum transconductance, that is indicated as GM naught. That naught implies nothing but we are applying VGS as 0 volts. Whenever VGS is equal to 0 volts, then transconductance will be maximum. So GM with VGS is equal to 0 will be treated as maximum transconductance indicated with GM naught. We know the equation for transconductance as GM is equal to 2 times of IDSS by VP into 1 minus VGS by VP. So out of this one, if you substitute VGS as 0, whatever the transconductance you will get, that will be treated as maximum transconductance. So GM naught is equal to 2 times of IDSS by VP. This VP you should take it as only positive values even though it is given as negative. We are going with modulus. So maximum transconductance can be calculated by using this equation, which is 2 IDSS by VP. We know the values for that one. So substitute those values. 2 into IDSS of 1 milliampere and VP of 5 volts. So that will be equal to 0.4 milliampere per volt or millisiemens. So transconductance, maximum transconductance for the given question is 0.4 millisiemens. Thank you.